We got to Wonderland today.
At 8 a.m. this morning, it was 74 degrees. 74. It's 4:30. We got an inch of snow on the ground.
I'm not quite sure the weather knows what it's doing. It wants to go with global warming, but it also wants to do whatever you call this. We used to go like a year without snow, didn't we?
Yeah.
And now it has like 3 snows a year at the least.
So 74 this morning at 8 a.m. It's 30 degrees now at 4:30. 8 hours, it has went down 40 degrees. Y'all ever seen anything like this?
I got no idea what to wear in the morning.
Is this the sign of the end of days? Let us know.
No, I think the news is. I think if we check the news, it would probably tell us.
If you look at the news, the days have been ending a long time.
The doomsday clock clicked up, so, you know.
All right, tell us in the comments. Y'all ever seen anything like this before?
I haven't. Have you?
Not like this. 40 degrees in 8 hours? This is nuts.